Hello, and welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy. We're in the Data Structures section. This is ArrayList Access. It says, great. Now we can start accessing the temperatures that our ArrayList stores. We can access the elements of weekly temperatures by using an element's index, or position, in the list. An element's index refers to its location within an array list. Array lists in Java are zero indexed, which means that the first element in an array list is at position 0. Here's an example of accessing the element in the first position of the list. Here we create array list quiz grades. We add 95 into quiz grades, then 87, and then 73. Down here we print out the first element in quiz grades, which would be 95. It is 0 instead of 1. That is what it means to be zero indexed. It means that our first item would be at index 0. And then the second item would be at index 1, and the third at index 2, and so on. So the example above will print out the grade value of 95. The index of the element containing the value 95 is at position 0 in the array list. We can access the value by providing its index to the get method. Use the get method to print out the lowest temperature contained in weekly temperatures. Here we zoom out a little bit. We want to go right under here, and we're going to print system.out.println weekly temperatures dot get, and the lowest temperature was the second temperature, which is index 1. Here we add the 1 and then semicolon, and let's run this. So we did pass and we did print out 67. So the important thing to take from this lesson is that we were able to specifically print out a value within our array list by using its index. Here we wanted to print out the second value, which is the lowest from all these integers, and we're able to print out that second value by index 1, not the first index. First index is 0. The second one would be index 1. As long as you understand that, then we're getting the hang of ArrayList. But that was ArrayList Access on Codecademy's Learn Java section. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.